a little bit lighten up the mood, judges. Nabunan ka man, sino na mga liyan na hindi mga kandidata. Because everybody in Pontagat and all of us have heard that live last week 7 during our coronation. But anyway, we would like to take this opportunity to ask our ladies their post-pageant experience. I know it has been a struggle, sleepless nights, sa pinaka-mga inagaw, nagprepara ka mo, nag-diet, nag-water therapy, what else did you do during this period? But anyway, let's start with our fourth runner-up, Marian. From the preparation now down, wearing the sash, your respective sashes. How was the feeling so far? Natapos na, and right now, you are here standing as one of our 5 winners for our Ninoy Isang Company.
Well, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Ninoy Isang Company, that 2026 journey was very exhausting. But of course, behind those pasarela training, after all, I came up in the situation that I am here standing in front of you, and I'm very so grateful, very so overwhelmed of your congratulations and your greetings and everything. After the coronation night, after I win the fourth runner-up, I take a rest, I take a long sleep, and thank you for everyone who supported me, for Barangay Benavis Calidad, Honorable SK, Chairman Jordan Silada, thank you for your support. Of course, our Barangay Captains, thank you for your trusting me to represent our beloved Barangay. Happy Fiesta Municipality of Pontagat. So good evening again, everyone. So our experience during our rehearsal isn't that easy because we only had a week of preparation, and I'm happy that it was a success and we all made it. And especially, first and foremost, I want to thank God because He kept on sustaining me, guiding me all throughout our journey. He kept on guiding us, these ladies, and we all made it. It was a success. It was a very good event. Actually, it's very memorable because I've had so much experience with other candidates.
Good evening, Board of Judges, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. So just like what the other girls have said, our preparation for the Ninoy Isang Company 2026 was far from easy. It was humbling, exhausting, and most importantly, difficult for all of us. As for the post-pageant experience, there were moments of disappointment, of course, but after all, I'm just happy that we were able to produce such good shows for Pontevedra. So once again, happy 17th Candelario Festival, Pontevedra. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I'd like to thank our SK chairpersons, distinguished guests, our board of judges, Barangay captains, and the municipality of Pontevedra officials. Our pre-pageant is like what we only had 2 days of tonight's preparation, and I am so thankful of being a first time here. I am so thankful because standing in front of you, I am so grateful for all of the support of the company has, and I hope you enjoy the 5 days, a week-long celebration of Candelario Festival. Thank you so much.
Hello, Pontevedra! Good evening! And good evening to all the municipal officials here present to this event. And well, since they all said about the preparations, I just want to share about my post-pageant moments. Well, I don't know what to ask this anymore because as you've all seen, I am one of the performers at Cluster 2. And it is my way of giving back their support to me. And also I am just so proud to each performer here tonight because we all represent different and diversified cultures and
story of Pontevedra. And